good afternoon. I was at the mall yesterday and I saw this brochure in the Kashmiri area. I would like to be guided on how to reach Bataan and if they have the best deal for it too.
Sure, no worries. I'll be more than happy to assist you with that.
Oh, thank you.
May I confirm if you already have been in Kamaya Coast Resort before with your family and friends?
No, I haven't been there. We were planning to go on a vacation on a destination where we haven't been before.
Oh, perfect. Since you got me here, I will tell you everything, every details that is good from Kamaya Beach Resort. And you know what? I have been there before and I have the best experience ever.
Oh, interesting.
Yes. So, have you already planned on how are you going to reach Bataan?
Nope, not yet. I'm looking for a very convenient way to go or to reach Bataan.
Perfect. Because here in Kamaya Coast, we have two best options on how are you going to reach Bataan. So we can go here on their website first, and as you can see here, they have a ferry by land, and also Kamaya Coast Beach Resort is available on Waze. So by ferry, the pick-up line is from SM MOA Seaside Terminal at Pasay City that will bring you directly to Kamaya Coast Beach. The travel is within 2 hours, and also I just want to remind you that you have to be there 1 hour before your schedule on going to Bataan. Next is by land. We have here through SCTEX, through Olongapo Gapan Road, and also the Mariveles Town Paper Jollibee Market. So it's always up to you which mode of transportation you would like to try, if by ferry or by land.
Oh, I prefer the ferry one. Do you have any discount or bundle with it?
Oh, good thing that you have asked that because we have so much to offer for you. And may I confirm when are you planning to visit Kamaya Coast Resort?
I would like to be on a vacation this coming holiday, so probably December 25 and 26.
Okay, perfect. I believe that you will love here in Kamaya Coast and you will enjoy it. Okay, since you have chosen the ferry, let's go and take a look on their website. They're running promotion discounts here, and it's look like that you are looking for an overnight promos. We have overnight for two with ferry. Okay, it costs around 10,849 pesos. So let's view the inclusions. And upon here, as you can see, the price or the regular rate was about 15,498. But since we are running a promo right now, the promo rate will be 10,849 pesos. How does
Oh.
this sound?
What a great deal!
Yeah, it is. And as you can see here, we have inclusions, overnight stay at Aqua Fun Hotel Deluxe Twin Room. So you can see here the Aqua Resort Room for Twin. This is our AF Deluxe Twin. I would like to ask you or to give you more idea about our rate. So AF Deluxe Twin is actually 10,500 on a regular basis. So here with our bundle, you have saved so much money, right?
I see.
Yeah, it's a great deal. And also you will have a breakfast for two and access to beach and amenities. You will also have an outdoor activities like using of kayak, bicycle. Also, we have a first come first serve basis here. And of course, since you have said that you preferred ferry, we have free return and also 2 ways of ferry transfers. Right? Also, we have another outdoor activities. Are you willing to hear more about it?
Oh yeah, that sounds interesting. I would like to hear more about it.
Perfect. So right now we have either day tour golf promos or overnight golf promos. Are you into golf these days?
Yeah, golf sounds great.
Oh, perfect. But I just want to remind you that our golf promos from overnight and the other overnight promos are quite different.
No
Because that's perfect. I like that. And here, since December 25 and 26 is actually weekends, actually we can see here that Saturday golf overnight promo, let's see the inclusions. It's actually cost 13,449 with the promotional, but the regular rate is 19,500. You can see the gap or the differences between the promos, right?
Yeah.
So let's see the inclusions. So you have here an overnight stay at Aqua Fun Hotel. Same with the room. Also the breakfast for two, access to lunch and amenities, green free 18 holes for 2 days, day 1 and 2, that is for golf, and also 2 golf carts solo, and 2 caddies for 1 day. So please let me know which promo or overnight stay do you prefer, because here in the golf promos, we don't have the kayak and the bicycle use. However, you do have a golf amenity or activity here.
Okay, sure.
Golf sounds great. I prefer that.
Would you like me to book you right away?
Oh, sure. It sounds fun and exciting. I would love to try it already, so book it right away.
Yes, it is. Thank you very much for your trust. And also, you will receive an email later on, and we will ring you tomorrow morning. Will there be anything else I can assist you with?
Oh, no more. Thank you. You've done enough. You did great.
Thank you.
Thank you
Have
so
a nice
much.
day.